going on, guys? Today in the channel we have a brand new 750S 2026 in ice white. So check this thing out. Twin turbo BA, guys, which is 740 horsepower. You guys already know I had a similar car like this in my channel. If you haven't checked that video out, make sure to check it out. You know, one thing that really complements this car that I personally like is sometimes in certain McLarens, this part right here, you have it in a different color. For example, this car is an Artura. Even though it's an Artura, some of the 720s and 750s have that outline right there in a different color. Most of the time it's like black or carbon fiber. This one has white, matching the exterior paint, which is something that I like. It's a triple white. In the sun, this car looks absolutely insane. It has some snowflakes, a little bit. So this one does have the orange calipers. That same McLaren on them. These wheels also look so good on this car. The orange caliper matching with the orange racing seat belt. The interior on this car is nice. I like it because it has this accent that gives it that same accent as the outside that complements it. Typically on a lot of McLarens, you do see just black all around. Just the whole seat is black, but I like how this one has that tone. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. Does have some ambient lighting, carbon fiber steering wheel with carbon fiber paddles. You want to go switch modes, put it in sport. You guys know the deal with these. This is how you put it in drive, neutral, reverse, put it back into neutral. I want you guys to just take another look. Get some angles for you guys. And let me know what you guys think. Is this your favorite McLaren so far?